Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another excited DIY video. I am showing you a couple of home decorations that I made for myself and I love it. I think you would like it as much as I do. They are really easy. The couple of give me a couple of lips, but I tackled it and I made it work. So if you would like to make it, or if you have seen it in the thumbnail what I have made and you would like to see how I made it, please continue watching. Okay guys, for this project I will be using these two frames from Dollar Tree. I had a sets of 3 from the Dollar Tree, these buckets. I used one for one of my projects, but I actually need only 2. So I'm gonna use these 2 buckets. And then after I remove all the stuff from what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be removing all this stuff, painting it, and painting the bucket. So this one I will be using the chalk paint. I'll show you in the video, but for the buckets I want it kind of what I'm trying to achieve is the farmhouse, you know, like a metal type of thing. So I'm gonna spray paint with Rust-Oleum hammered paint, and I loved it. I used it before and oh my gosh, it is awesome. This is the color it's supposed to be, so we'll see. So I'm gonna go and spray the buckets with that and let it dry. So while they're drying, I will be removing all this stuff and getting my little trays ready for the buckets. So that's what we're doing next. Okay, so here's my 2 buckets. So I'm gonna remove the handles because I don't need them. And then I'm gonna just spray paint using my Rust-Oleum hammered, and that was like the gray color that I showed you. I just took off the top. So okay, so this is dry. I think it turned out pretty good. I actually impressed with the color. And here's my buckets. Aren't they cute? So I was gonna glue this together, but I decided against it because I kind of wanted to separate it, and I will not be cutting the edges of my bucket. I will just cover it with the greenery because sometimes I like reuse stuff, and this would be a perfect amount, you know, to mount it to something like this. So I like to keep it if I don't have to cut it. So I won't be cutting it, but this is how it's gonna sit. It's gonna sit like that. And I want to add a little bit of jute, so I got some jute here, and I will just go a few rounds around the bucket, just so it kind of looks not like, you know. Anyway, so this is what we're gonna do, and then I'm gonna just insert my greenery in there, and I probably will put a little bit of newspaper so it doesn't fall all the way down. So this is the next step. Okay, so the bottles are dry. I think the color turned out wonderful. And I have these letters. I have showed that I bought them at, I think they were at the Walmart on like super clearance, and they had 2 different sizes. So I picked through it, and I think it's gonna fit just great. So now I'm just gonna stick the letters to it, and then we'll work on decorating next. Okay, so now I know why those letters were on clearance, because they are garbage. I hated them, but I made it work. I had to. They won't stick. They like, I don't know what's wrong with them, but I hated it. So I used the Elmer's glue, and right now on top I will use my Mod Podge just to make sure it's gonna stay how I want it to stay. So this is what I'm gonna do, and hopefully this will work. And I won't be buying those letters ever again, because I can't believe it. I had such a hard time. Nothing was sticking, and it's supposed to be 2 sets of letters and everything's supposed to stick. Well, it didn't. You saw me putting glue on it. I had a struggle. So, but I made it work. I think it's gonna still look cute. It probably would be okay if I traced it and paint, but oh well, you know. All right, so I got the Mod Podge done. Now I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and we'll come back to it. Okay, so Mod Podge is dry. I think it turned out pretty good, even though it was giving me some trouble, but I like it. So far, so good. Now I'm gonna foo-foo it up a little bit, which I want to make a bow out of jute, but first of all, I want to one time go around the bottle. So this is what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna use this pretty flowers. I honestly don't remember where I got them. It's either Dollar Tree or Michael's, because Michael's had that huge 70 to 80% off. So I know I got a bunch of stuff there. So I don't really know which one. So anyway, I'm gonna use this, and then as part of my decor, I'll use this little beads. I had it left over from something, so, but this is what I'm gonna be doing. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As you can see, they are behind me, my decorations. I love it. I think I'm gonna move it downstairs where my kind of the foyer area and style it there. So that was all for today. If you're one of my new people, please let me know in the comments below so I can welcome you to the family. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. I love you guys very much. Be safe out there, and I will see you in the next one real soon. Bye.